All across the nation, all women. I struggle, freedom, come by struggle, freedom, come by struggle, freedom. Let it ring around the world and never cease to sing.
We are lobbying because also it will salvage Nigeria because we have signed lots of protocols that is to do with women representation. The 35% affirmative action that has been there for long. Other countries have passed that stage. Like Rwanda, they are about 67% now, of which Nigerian women, we don't even want to go that far. Let us get the 35% and above. But now we are about just 4% representation in Nigeria, and it's not healthy for the entire nation.
The women, the children, the home.
That's why I use the one we are lobbying, but we are calling a cranial call that please let them pass this bill because it is time. Other countries are far above. We are behind, maybe second to the last in the entire world for our representation of women.
Talking about representation of women, are women also being urged to take up?
And in this transition, just APC alone, more than 300 women are there looking for elective positions, aspirants. And there are so many, about 800 women are out for looking for elective positions this time. So the women are ready. And the women are vast. We are well read. We are politicians. And you have tested, you have seen many that have been there and how they have performed. So we are lobbying that let them pass this bill.
Sorry, what will be your appeal to your women folk? Because sometimes
this time around, as I've said earlier, we are speaking with one voice. Absolutely. The women have converged. We are saying one thing all around Nigeria. We have agreed now, we have come to the terms that why things were not happening is because we were scattered, but now we're all together speaking with one voice. This that I'm telling you now, any woman you come across, she will tell you the same thing.
Mobilize all your colleagues and ensure that the bill gets majority third to vote at the House of Representatives and Senate. Vote in favor of it and reject any motion opposing it during preliminary. We ask them to use their good offices to influence the passage of this bill. We advocate for an emergency sitting to vote for this bill. We ask that you vote in favor of this bill when subjected to voting on the floor of the House. We remain loyal constituents, and we are hopeful that you will be a champion of this bill for the inclusion of our democracy and a just nation where every Nigerian will have the right to be represented in the National Assembly, both male and female. Thank you. My name is Irene Auna Ike. I'm the president of the League of Women Voters of Nigeria. And we are here with other leaders of other women groups, organizations who have networks in the 36 states. These petitions were gotten from the 36 states and the 734 local governments that constitute all the constituencies.